Hi, welcome back to Health Talk with Dr. Akram. In this series of programs, we've been talking about the secrets of long life. For the last two videos, we talked about the blue zones, where the centenarians live, and what food they eat. But now we're going to talk about their lifestyle, the lifestyle of longevity. It is obvious that only a balanced diet cannot provide a long life. On the other hand, there are a lot of other communities who eat similar food, but they hardly live long. There are a lot of other factors that can also influence in the numbers you score in your birth calendar, especially the lifestyle. Let's look at the centenarian lifestyle. Author Dan Buettner has spent a decade studying people from blue zones. He found out that these people had grown old without any problems like obesity, heart disease, cancer, diabetes, and dementia. According to the Icarian model, we should be having lots of sex, drinking wine, and napping a lot. Well, it sounds like a joke, but it's actually true. If you are napping 30 minutes a day, 5 days a week, your chance of heart disease is about 1/3 lower than if you muscle through the afternoon. People who are having sex after the age of 50, at least twice per week, have about half the rate of mortality than people who aren't getting it. Then, moderate drinkers actually outlive non-drinkers. Wine has high level of polyphenols and antioxidants. The alcohol in the wine also helps lower cortisol levels, a hormone associated with stress. If you drink a glass of wine with an Icarian meal, it about triples the flavonoid absorption. It's actually better to have a glass of wine with your meal than a glass of water, but not with your steak. And I'm not sure about with other food what you eat. And that doesn't work there. We must be wondering, Icarians are exercise freaks on the gyms. But in Icaria, exercise seems to play a negligible role in longevity. None of those 90s and 100-year-olds were spending half an hour on treadmill. The secret is the importance of engineering nudges for physical activity into daily life, like planting a garden, which sets up a nudge for the entire growing season to be out there watering, weeding, or harvesting. And don't look to completely convenience your life with mechanized tools. House in Icaria have just hand tools. They live in a place where every trip to the store or to work occasions a walk. I know it sounds hard to do in our lives, but you can make and design your life in such a way that physical activity becomes part of your life. Let's look at the Sardinians. The Sardinian farmers are hard workers. They walk a few kilometers every day with their day-to-day activities. Their family bond is very strong in the matriarchal society. They regularly meet up in the community to do different things together, or even to cook up bread in a common oven. The Costa Ricans from Nicoya have very strong family bond, and the elders have a very respectable place in the extended household they lived. Their expertise and ideas being taken by the young generation to enhance their crop performances and agriculture. Well, in America, the Seventh-day Adventists of Loma Linda had a community-based living. They helped each other, they met in regular prayer meetings, and the relationships were precious. They had a sense and purpose to live longer. But the Okinawans have a very strong social structure. They walk, cook healthy meals, drink awamari with friends, and enjoy active sex late into their lives. Their greatest secrets were the powerful social network called Moai, a lifelong circle of friends that support people well into old age. Okinawans also has a strong sense of purpose in life called ikigai. To stay active, they don't muscle through the iron, but They make their lifestyle simple that most of the work has to be done manually. In summary, the secret of long life, apart from good food, stay healthy, regular walks, gardening or exercise, good social circle of friends, purpose of life, like participating in social work, and of course, an afternoon nap and regular sex. This will most probably hit you to a century in your birth calendar. In our next program, we are going to look into the secrets of Okinawans, why these women live longer than anyone. So until then, look after yourselves. Thank you. Bye-bye.